Hey, this is Esther, your level 99 Aliexpress advisor. So, when you go on vacation, what's the number one issue that you have? My biggest problem is, no way, where am I gonna wash my dirty clothes? If you go to a hotel, you know that it's super expensive. They just charge for every little thing. And if you live in an Airbnb, they might not have a washing machine. So you have to stock up your dirty clothes with your clean clothes. It's very annoying. Well, we have a solution for all you hygienic people out there. Bum, 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 bum. A folding washing machine. Just outright from the packaging, I mean, it looks pretty classy, I would say. I was asking Nikki how much it is because I felt that it would be pricey, but it's only $40 to $60 Canadian. The packaging is nice. The box feels quite nice. The coloring's super good. English is sort of on point. You know, that's the one thing with when things are branded globally, that the English is pretty off. This one kind of sort of gets it right. It's also supposed to not make any noise. It kills germs. Important for a washing machine to do. It's foldable and also portable. So you can actually take it in your luggage with you. Okay, no more talking. Let's get to washing. Not really. Let's get to unboxing. Comes with an adapter, of course, and a good plastic. The nice thing is that it's got this, and I just like the feel of it. Feels like a baby's bum. Ta-da-da-da! If you want to advertise your portable washing machine and take it with you, you can. Inside, it's got these handy-dandy fan-looking things that probably whip your clothes around so that they can be washed. Ooh, makes a nice little sound. And then it's got some holes. I don't know what they're for, but we can figure it out. It said that it can be lifted. Can it be? Look for this.
Maybe you can just lift the handle, right? There's a handle.
That's true. There is a handle. Oh! Oh! Okay, it's not that easy. It's not that I'm weak. It's honestly genuinely hard to pop this thing on. So see how cool that is? It's like a little basket. And now we can easily open these things up, which is what I initially thought you should be able to because most people don't have little midget fingers. Cool. Smells nice. And I guess you just pop your clothes in there, put this thing on, and it should start to do things. So this is the button panel. It's not very, the one thing I like about buttons is the fact that they're very clickety, you know, ding, 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 ding. This is not. That upsets me. I always love turning things on because I like the noises stuff makes when you turn it on. We're gonna plug it in. La 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 la, done. Ooh, it's a ding. Oh, there's no color. Every time. Wow. Okay, so this is what's happening inside. And it stopped. Maybe because I lifted it. Inside it actually has a line to show you how much water you should put it in there, because sometimes you might overflow it and then it starts leaking everywhere, and that's not fun for anybody. It doesn't say how long it will wash for, but then once it's done, I'm assuming the spinning things will just stop. You're gonna use this back right here to release all the water and then hang your clothes to dry. Oh, that was a little bit too harsh there. We have a white t-shirt. Can you guess what we're gonna do with it? Yes, you guessed it right. We're gonna spray it with soya milk. Not just a tiny bit, but a ton of it. What the heck? It didn't, it's like on it. It's not absorbing it.
Did we buy a waterproof shirt?
Oh, there it goes. Burp, 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 burp. I don't know why you would get it this filthy dirty and then still decide to keep wearing it. But hey, no one's judging. Gross, it's leaking. I knew it. Now we're gonna use it to clean the table. Oh, we're really going at it. Okay, great. I think that's good enough. Now we're gonna pop it in the washing machine and see how well it cleans it. So we have this dirty, dirty, dirty shirt. We're gonna go ahead and pop it in here first. Okay, now I'm gonna pop some.
Oh, that's too much, isn't it?
I don't know. There we are. pop this on. Don't forget to do that. Now we're gonna plug it in. See you in 10 minutes. It's actually cleaning it. It smells awful. So the machine has just stopped and we are going to find out in about a second how clean the shirt is. But before, have you liked and subscribed to our videos? If not, why not? No more wasting time. Let's pop this bad boy open. Whoa. And we can't see anything because it's too foamy. Great. I think if you use foam type of detergent, you're probably gonna have to like take out your clean clothes, then rinse it again, and then put in fresh water. A bit of a work. Okay, so now we're gonna see if the shirt is actually clean. The water is super filthy. This is so freaking gross. I can't say I've ever done this before. And it smells like soya sauce in there. Also, it doesn't, I'm like, okay, it doesn't have that much capacity, right? So, very curious how much clothes you can actually actively wash. I think you can pop a shirt like this. You can probably pop some socks. You can do maybe a beanie, not a hoodie. You can do like pants. Don't get so crazy. You know, you're paying only 40 bucks. Wow. Look how clean it is. It looks brand new. See that? To be fair though, we didn't really leave the soya sauce on for that long. So maybe that's why it got washed off so fast, because it didn't actually soak in the fabric. But I'm still pretty surprised at the capacity of this thing to just extract it out. Also, I think I'm being tricked into doing Nikki's laundry and not actually reviewing this because I'm literally getting my hands dirty here. Are we surprised by the cleanliness of this machine? I would say I am. Would I give it a 10 out of 10? I'd probably give it like an 8 out of 10 for design because it's super good quality. 2, it actually does what it says. It cleans your clothes. 3, it does not make a lot of noise. So it's pretty quiet if you're in a hotel room or an Airbnb. You can just have it in the next room, like washing your stuff. 4, you can wash your socks and you can wash your underpants separately, even in your own household. So if you don't want to use it for traveling, but you have clothes that you don't really want to wash with your normal clothes that are small, you can utilize this. For the price, it is for sure a 9 out of 10 for me. It's spilling soya sauce dirty water on my face. This is so freaking gross. I can't say I've ever done this before. Ew. Yeah, it's like soya saucy color. And it smells like soya sauce in there.